ago, some of my friends were facing the same English language problems you may encounter today. That is why we decided to produce this video program. All the subject entries in the video program are easy to follow. They will allow you to study at your own pace. If you have a specific question, stop the tape, rewind it, and play it again. Don't try to do too much at one time, though. It's much more important to study 45 minutes or so at a time, but do it every day. Take as much time as you need to on any lesson. By getting well acquainted with each lesson, you will become much more confident in your use of English. Now, for some of you, the first lessons may seem simple, but don't skip them. Don't forget, they are the groundwork for the lessons ahead. Before we turn on to the main purpose of this lesson, perhaps we should define a few terms, such as the word alphabet, the definition of the alphabet, and the word phonics. The word alphabet comes from the names of the first two letters, alpha and beta, of the Greek alphabet. Let's try to remember what the definition of the alphabet says. The alphabet is a set of written symbols called letters. Sounding out letters, we make up words. This is called phonics. Lesson 1 teaches you the names of the 26 letters of the English alphabet and their sounds. Once you know them, you have the beginning skills you need to read. You will see that some letters say more than one sound, but we'll talk about that later. I'll give you the name and the sound of the letter, and a word for a key picture that will go along with each letter. I will say each of them twice. When I say them the second time, you say them after me. Speak loud to hear the sound of your own voice accurately. There we go. A. Arrow. Now say it with me. A. Arrow. Excellent. B. Biscuit. Now say it with me. B. Biscuit. C. Cactus. Now say it with me. C. Cactus. D. Dill. Now say it with me. D. Dill. Excellent. E. Egg. Now say it with me. E. Egg. F. Flower. Excellent. F. Flower. G. Glass. Now say it with me. G. Glass. H. House. Now say it with me. H. House. I. Ink. Now say it with me. I. Ink. J. Jar. Excellent. Now say it with me. J, J, jar, K, K, kitten. Now say it with me. K, K, kitten. Excellent. L, O, leaves. Now say it with me. L, O, leaves. M, map. Now say it with me. M, map. N, nut. Excellent. N, nut. O, olive. Now say it with me. O, olive. P, picture. Now say it with me. P, picture. Excellent. Q, quarter. Excellent. Q, quarter. R, rubber. Now say it with me. R, rubber. S, sky. Now say it with me. S, sky. T, train. Now say it with me. T, train. U, umbrella. Now say it with me. U, umbrella. V, videotape. Now say it with me. V, videotape. W, wire. Now say it with me. W, wire. X, fox. Now say it with me. X, fox. Y, yacht. Now say it with me. Y, yacht. Z, zipper. Now say it with me. Z, zipper. Place your VCR on pause and repeat the alphabet, trying to remember the key picture for each letter. Remember, using your senses, sight, hearing, touch, smell, taste, will make learning easier. Let's take as an example the word biscuit. Close your eyes and picture the biscuit in your mind. Can you hear the grind sound the biscuit makes as you bite into it? Can you smell the biscuit? Can you taste the biscuit? Always try to think of something that helps you remember what the word is. Can you hear the sound the train makes? Can you smell the flower? Can you see the yacht on the sea? Let's see if you can remember now the names and the sounds of the letters by viewing our key pictures. This time you say it first, then I'll say it, and you say after me. Don't be discouraged if you cannot get them all right from the beginning. It takes practice. Do you remember this key picture? Right. A. Arrow. B. Biscuit. C. Cactus. D. Dill. E. Egg. F. Flower. G. Glass. H. House. I. Ink. J. Jar. K. Kitten. L. Leaves. M. Map. N. Nut. O. Olive. P. Picture. Q. Quarter. R. Rubber. S. Sky. T. Train. U. Umbrella. V. Videotape. W. Wire. X. Fox. Y. Yacht. Z. Zipper. Well, you know now the names of the 26 letters of the English alphabet and their sounds. By now you have the beginning skills you need to read. If you need to, stop the tape, rewind it, and play it again before moving on to Lesson 2. The alphabet was easy, but don't forget, the English language tends to be difficult because English is made up from words borrowed from various languages, including German, French, Latin, Greek, and others. Therefore, the words in the English language can lack uniformity and can give rise to a variety of pronunciation problems. If you eliminate these problems from the beginning, your pronunciation will be accurate. What do you have to know first? You have to know that there are two kinds of letters in our alphabet: consonants and vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. All the other letters are consonants. If you don't know them, place the VCR on pause and learn them now. Up to this point, you may not have given much thought to how important the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y are. They are important because every word must have vowels in it. Words such as egg, jar, nut have just one vowel sound. Other words have more vowel sounds, such as cactus and rubber. Do you hear the two vowel sounds in cactus and rubber? And what else do we see? Right, we see that each of these two words has two parts. Each of these word parts is called syllable. A syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. The vowels can make two sounds, a short sound, which you'll learn in the first part of this lesson, and a long sound, which you'll learn in the second part of our lesson. Here are the short sounds we learned so far in Lesson 1. A, arrow. E, egg. I, ink. O, olive. U, umbrella. Sometimes Y is a vowel too, but as I said earlier, we'll learn more about that later. You already know the short sounds the vowels make, but what you don't know yet is what makes a vowel say its short sound. It's very simple. When a vowel has a consonant after it, that vowel always says its short sound. This is called the closed syllable rule. Let's try some examples. Let's begin with the short A sound. Say the following short words after me. Fat, cat, sat, hat, pat, rat. Now, let's read these words. This time, you read them first, then I'll say them again, and you'll repeat them after me. Map, mat, mad, sad, bag, dad, had, bad. What does a consonant do when it comes after a vowel? It closes or traps in the vowel, and it is called the closed syllable rule. There is one more thing you should know about the sound of the short A. The sound of the short A, changes just a little bit when A has an M or an N after it. Say these words after me. Can, man, fan, Dan, ran, Sam, pen, ham, jam, am. Good. Now, listen carefully, and you will see how the short a sound changes in these words. Map, man, sad, Sam. We still hear a short a sound, but it sounds a little bit different with an M or an N after it. Map, man, sad, Sam. See? Map, man, sad, Sam. Let's practice a little bit the other vowels' short sounds. Do you remember the sound short E, says in egg? Right. E, egg. Say these words after me. Economic, ecstasy,